Hi, my name is Matthew Christian from Tampa, Florida, and on behalf of Expert Village, today we're going to talk about the proper use of a high-speed polishing machine. Prior and during the use of a high-speed polisher, you'll want to keep your pad as clean as possible. And as we mentioned earlier, the tool that we use for this, we call a spur. You should always start off with a clean or new buffing pad, but even though it's clean and new, you want to make sure there's no foreign particles in there, and also we want to fluff the pad up. And again, one of the ways we'll do that is by holding the buffer steady with one hand, spur in the other, turn the buffer on, and then we're going to gently rub the spur across the pad. Make sure you have a good grip on the spur, because otherwise the buffer could pull it out of your hand and could go flying, potentially hit somebody or break something. So hold both items, turn the buffer on, and then gently go back and forth like this.